Labconco's Precise and Protector Filtered Glove Boxes are engineered for the highest standards of precision and safety when handling hazardous particulates in pharmaceutical research, nanotechnology, and biochemistry. The Precise line includes two models, the Precise HEPA Filtered Glove Box and the Expert Weigh Box. The Precise HEPA model offers a leak-proof 13 cubic foot environment with ISO Class 3 particulate-free airflow due to the included HEPA filters for both inlet and outlet. Its one-piece molded polyethylene liner is chemically resistant, with smooth-coved interior corners for easy cleaning. A large, wide-angle laminated safety glass viewing window allows for ergonomic viewing. The built-in dark phenolic work surface resists stains and increases visibility of chemical powders, simplifying cleanup. The Expert Weigh Box shares these same features plus a factory-installed anti-static ionizer fan and balance vibration isolator. Experience the pinnacle of precision and safety with the Protector HEPA or ULPA Filtered Glove Box. Engineered for exceptional performance, the Protector series delivers the highest standard in particulate, powder, and nanopowder containment. Available with two different interior liners, a seamless one-piece molded fiberglass or robust Type 304 stainless steel. Each provide a smooth, durable work surface that resists chemical corrosion and simplifies cleaning. Select the Protector HEPA with fiberglass liner for potent pharmaceutical handling, the Protector ULPA with a Type 304 stainless steel liner for precise weighing operations, or the Double Protector ULPA for an expanded workspace, accommodating two stainless steel liners. Customize your airflow with a built-in blower and speed control, offering airflow rates from as low as 15 CFM and up to 85 CFM, depending on filter type, voltage, and frequency. Only Labconco offers the Protector Combination Glove Box, a controlled atmosphere enclosure that's also a HEPA or ULPA filtered glove box, ideal for handling oxygen or moisture-sensitive materials that are also considered particulate hazards. Every Labconco filtered glove box uses true bag-in, bag-out filters for safe replacement and has been independently performance verified by SafeBridge consultants. With more than 70 available accessories, each filtered glove box can be customized to fit your specific containment needs. Innovation isn't just about the next discovery. It's about creating safer, more effective spaces to make them. For more information on Labconco's filtered glove boxes, visit labconco.com/glovebox.